We have an exciting session planned on in vivo imaging of the cornea, looking at both two-photon imaging with Juan Bueno speaking. We have a contributed talk by Brian Vonson on second harmonic generation of in vitro cornea. And we also are looking at talks by Sam Hanlon. In addition, we have an exciting talk on clinical applications of OCT imaging cornea by David Huang. Other sessions that we have planned are on the chromatic aberration of the living eye, and we'll have a tutorial from Larry Tybus, who's going to be talking about the chromatic aberration of the eye, the historical measurements, and where we're going for the future, and how that chromatic aberration will actually impact our vision and how we see. Patricia Piers is coming and speaking about how chromatic aberration in intraocular lenses that are implanted after cataract surgery can actually impact our visual quality and what's been being done in that field. We have speakers looking at how chromatic aberration might impact our visual development as well. And on that note of visual development, we have an exciting symposium planned on visual development of the eye and aging. And we have a series of speakers coming to talk about how the eye develops in infancy, and looking at how our brain starts to interpret those signals, how accommodation might impact our vision, how aberrations might impact the vision in these young children. And then at the opposite end of the spectrum, we have speakers coming to talk about the aging eye, imaging the retinal structure of the aging eye. Steve Burns will be talking about that. We also have speakers that will be talking about how autofluorescence and other changes that might be changing in normal eyes and in diseased eyes in the aging eye. So we have a really exciting sessions planned for this year for FIO.